Hi, I was asked just to show what I currently do with Google Classrooms. So in maths, we currently give starters every single lesson for pupils, and I thought the best way to assess how pupils were doing at the moment was to continue with the starters. So for my starters, I've just used the ones I already have prepared in PowerPoint, and I drag that into my Google Drive and I put that in onto my slides. So basically, as it is in PowerPoint, it's a bit more difficult for the pupils to hand back work. So what I do is save it as as Google Slides. So in the File tab at the top, and Save as Google Slides, and it opens up a new slide for you. So what I found best is providing them with a text box to put their answers in. So I would just, again, choosing from a menu, the text box, I would draw a little text box in, and that allows them a space to put their answer. I give it a border because then it stands out, they know where they've got to put it, and I just make it the text a little bit bigger as well. And I put answer here so that they can put their answer in. I then put that into all of my questions so that they can put their answer to every question down. So I've got 3 slides here today, so I would do the same. I would put the answer box in every part for them to see, for them to be able to do their starters, and then I can assess what they've done and I can give them feedback, either giving them comments or in each slide, or comments on their overall piece of work. So for this one, I've not got enough space on my slide, so I would just add a new slide. So again, into your top menu, slide and new slide. And again, put my text box in and allow them to put their answer in there. So once that's done, it's already saved in my Google Drive. So I just close down these tabs, and then I would go to set them an assignment. So I've already started setting this one up, ready for the pupils. And I would add the starter questions in. So just on the Add tab and Google Drive. So the one that I've just created is May the 7th starters. So I'll click that. And the important bit here is that I click on the drop-down menu here, which says students can view the file. I would click that and make a copy for each student. This allows them to put their answers in, and I can then comment, like I say, on each individual person's work and give them a score. I've normally given maximum 10 points, so for them to work through, and it gives them something I can then mark. Some of them have filled in the slides, some of them have taken pictures of their jotter and uploaded them, and I've just allowed them to do whichever way they want to do it. Thank you.